Hello, my name is Ofir Bar-Levav, and I'm the Chief Business Officer at Tando Robotics. At Tando Robotics, we are building Tando, a first-of-its-kind, fully autonomous drone solution that operates in indoor spaces. Tando is an indoor drone fleet that independently performs various tasks such as security, monitoring, inspection, and more, anywhere, anytime. Today, many of the ongoing inspection, monitoring, and security tasks are performed by people. Recruiting and retaining people for these tasks is hard, and people are usually not good at dull and repetitive tasks, making these operations inefficient, expensive, and difficult to ensure consistent quality over time. Did you know that in 2019, companies around the world spent $134 billion on security guarding services and $81 billion for ongoing facility management services? While most tasks are basic data collection activities in indoor spaces, what if we could autonomously collect any data, anywhere, anytime, and leverage AI to identify anomalies and empower people to focus on what they do best, making informed decisions based on quality data? Well, that's exactly what we do here at Tando Robotics. Now let's see a short video of Tando in action.
What if we told you you don't need to worry anymore about security problems, inspection problems, operational problems, and perhaps some personal problems?
I think I left the stove on.
Again?
Well, you'll probably say,
How come?
It's because we at Indoor Robotics got someone to worry for you. Meet Tando, a fully autonomous, always-on drone fleet that doesn't get in your way and can be operated and monitored from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere else for that matter. So, as you can see, we got you covered. All you need to do is sit back and relax. Tando, constantly vigilant, anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for saving me, Tando.
Tando enables you to be fully aware, anywhere, anytime. The Tando drone creates a complete and detailed map of the indoor environment and uses various sensors to collect data: visual sensors, thermal sensors, and more. When not on a mission, Tando docks on our patented ceiling tile to charge its batteries and operates like any other stationary sensor. The fleet operation is orchestrated by our Tando app, where you set up the missions and receive reports, thus completing a fully autonomous cycle. Tando never gets tired, enabling customers to increase the quality of security and inspection work and ensure compliance while driving down operational costs, eliminating false alarms, and solving issues much faster. Today, we are deploying Tando systems in various indoor environments, such as data centers, warehouses, retail stores, and general office space. We are a young startup company based in Israel and backed by some of the leading local VCs, as well as the prestigious European Union Horizon 2020 program. Join us on our journey as we use robotics to build a better, more convenient world for ourselves. Thank you.